Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about August Comte, the guy who actually invented the word sociology. Comte wanted to study society in a scientific way, just like physics, chemistry or biology. In today's video we'll explain four major ideas: positivism, law of three stages, social statics and social dynamics. Let's jump in. First, positivism. What is positivism? Comte said, if we want to understand society, we must use science, not guesswork. He believed only observable facts, data, and scientific methods should be used to study society. No superstition, no blind beliefs, only evidence. Comte lived during a time of chaos in Europe. Revolutions, wars, political crisis. He felt society needed order and only scientific thinking could bring that order. Just like doctors diagnose illnesses using facts, sociologists should diagnose social problems using data. What are the key features of positivism? Use of observation, collect facts, compare patterns, find causes, create solutions. Comte treated sociology like a natural science, objective, rational and systematic. Let's look at the law of three stages. This is Comte's most famous idea. He said, human society grows like a child, then to adulthood, and then to a mature adult. So society also grows in three stages. First is the theological stage. This is comparable to the childhood stage. People explain everything using supernatural forces. For example, gods, spirits, magic, miracles. If it rains, people think rain god is happy. If there is thunder, God is angry. Then there are sub-stages also. Fetishism, objects have power. Polytheism, many gods. Monotheism, one god. The next stage is metaphysical stage, which is comparable to the teenage stage. People stop blaming gods but still don't use science. They use abstract ideas like destiny, nature, it is meant to be, the universe wants it. This stage is halfway between superstition and science. The third stage is the positive stage, which is the scientific or adult stage. This is the mature stage. People explain things using observation, scientific laws, logic, experiments, cause and effect. For example, rain happens because of evaporation, which leads to condensation, which leads to clouds and precipitation. Society becomes more rational and stable. Comte believed all societies must eventually reach the positive stage. Next, let's understand social statics. What are social statics? Comte said, to study society, we need to know what keeps society stable and peaceful. These forces are called social statics. What creates social stability? First is family. Family teaches value, discipline, roles. Second is religion. It gives shared beliefs and moral rules. Third is the state or the government, which maintains law and order. And fourth is the division of labor. People depend on each other. Doctor, teacher, cleaner, farmer, everyone plays a part. These things glue society together. Why statics matter? If we understand what keeps society stable, we can protect it from chaos or conflict. Statics are all about order. Let us look at the next section, social dynamics. What are social dynamics? Dynamics means change and progress. Comte said society changes according to scientific laws. Just like physics has gravity, society has laws of change. Now what drives this social change? First, intellectual change. New ideas bring new behavior. For example, internet revolution changed how we work, learn and socialize. Second is the technological change. Technology forces society to adapt. For example, smartphones changed communication forever. Third is the population growth. More people means new needs, which leads to new social structures. Fourth is the economic development. Industries, jobs, markets, they push society forward. How do they connect with the three stages? Social dynamics explains how society moves from theological to metaphysical to positive stages. In simple words, dynamics handle progress, whereas statics handle order. Comte believed society must balance both. Too much change will lead to chaos, whereas too much order will lead to no progress. So to conclude, today we understood Auguste Comte's major ideas. Positivism, which is the study of society scientifically. Law of three stages, that is how society grows intellectually. Then social statics, that is what keeps the society stable. And fourth, social dynamics, what drives social change. Comte wanted to build sociology as a science to create both order and progress in society. If you enjoyed this explanation, hit like, drop a comment and subscribe for more easy sociology videos. See you soon.